Hello, my name is Henry, and this is my IT516 Midterm project. I build a responsible website using Next.js and React. The goal was to create a modern and interactive website with reusable components from my previous lessons and a responsible design. And this website was created for general users and small business and portfolio style audience, and it can be used in desktop or mobile devices. So the technology that I used for this website was HTML5 semantic structure, CSS responsible design, JavaScript and React hooks, Next.js framework, and GitHub and Vercel deployment platforms. Now I'm going to proceed a live website walkthrough to demonstrate the components that I put in my website and the layout of the responsive navigation and the functionalities like the dark mode and toggle filter and the contact page with a form validation. So this is my website homepage, and as you can see, it's pretty simple, but it demonstrates a little bit the React components and Next.js routing. And here's the dark mode toggle, and here's the contact page. And this form validation allows you to put only the acceptable information. If you use not real email or name, it will not allows you to create an account, and it's going to bring back a fail message. So the first feature that I would like to demonstrate in my website is the dark effect through the temp toggle. So going back to my website, here we have the dark mode, and it works perfectly. And the second functionality from my website that I would like to show is the contact form. validation. So going to my contact page, if I put my name or somebody else's name and simulate a real email, it's going to inform you that the form was submitted successfully. But if I use any character different than a real name and any contact information, without the real contact, it will brings back the message error. So the next slide, I will show my architectural decision number 1, which is the semantic HTML structure. And I use the header, nav, main, section, and footer to improve accessibility and organization. I alternatively rejected the generic div only layout because I wanted to challenge myself and do a real website. And then this is my components folder. So I have the footer file, the header file here, the nav, and this is the theme toggle for the dark and light effect. In the next slide, I will demonstrate the architectural decision number 2. I chose the responsive design system and consistent spacing and typography, mobile friendly layout, and I rejected the fixed desktop layout because I wanted to proceed with the project for mobile and desktop layout. So I will demonstrate my website in mobile design right now, and it works. All the functionality still works. In my architectural decision number 3, we have React instead of vanilla JavaScript, a simplified state management, reduced direct DOM manipulation, and improved stability, scalability, and maintainability. So I wanted to create a function and at the same time basic website. And for my architectural decision number 4, I decided to reuse my React components and just improve my project from the previous weeks. And it was easier for me to debugging and create a good platform for future expansions. So for the reflection of my project, I would like to point that I'm very proud of the React components architecture, which is the toggle dark mode and the responsive contact information. And to see this functionality working, it's very simple, but as my first project is, it is very nice to see it working without any message error or problem occurring. And I would improve the visual polish and accessibility further, because like I said, it's a very simple design, but it is a base for future projects. And my next step is backend integration in APIs. So I would like to improve my website to work in different platforms, and that's the way that I'm going to proceed. Thank you for watching, and this was my IT516 midterm presentation.